And here we are in a bus taking a post-conference tour where we're going up to the mountain, and later we will also try some natural meal, I think. And there will be very exciting program, but it seems like that the weather is not with us today. Going up on a mountain, but it's really rainy outside. So I don't know. I hope that we all have a raincoat or umbrella with us. I'm Julie Tran, and this is BonVoyage on MakeChangeTV, still sending from Wanju, South Korea. Welcome. Just arrived at our first destination for today, and it's the Wanju Local Economy Circulation Center, where we're going to have a tour around here to see more about what are they doing. But right now we're actually waiting for another bus because they actually sinking. I don't know what happened. Maybe the road was too small and the weather is really rainy, and yeah. So let's wait a couple minutes and then we start. While we're waiting for the other bus to get off the ground, I'm so lucky to get hold on Marie. At last, one of the key persons behind this event. So please share with me how many organizations working behind this summit?
Altogether 5 organizations come together for this summit. Actually 3 organizations is hosting this event. The first one is Korea Network for Social Enterprise, and second one is the Ministry of Employment and Labor, and third one is Jeollabuk-do Provincial Office. And the Work Together Foundation and Korean Social Enterprise Promotion Agency is the organizer of this event.
What is your vision for this event?
So we would like to create Asian solidarity through this event, to hold everyone together and giving the platform to share their ideas and experiences together.
Yeah. As far as I know, you started the first one in 2008.
Right.
Okay, can you explain to me shortly the developments in 2008 to now?
In 2008, we have only forum that time. So we would like to know each other, which country have which kind of social enterprise and what is the definition of social enterprise in each country. That is the key theme of the 2008 summit. So from that summit, our catchphrase was, "We are the social entrepreneurs in Asia." In 2010, we would like to go more into deep for the parallel group session with industry-based and business field-based. With that, we would like to have a concrete network between the industries and between the business field. Yeah. So that time, the main theme of the forum is the role of social entrepreneurs for poverty fighting.
Yeah. So now looking back, because we have closed the summit, because this is the post-conference tour.
Yes.
So what is your experience? Has it reached your expectations for the summit?
Actually, for the previous 2 events, we haven't had a pre-forum for the youth, but we found that every time when we invite the big mouth and the speakers, they are very good person and very good resources, but after all they are very busy, so when they go back to their own country we cannot do anything. So this time we organize a pre-event with youth. I think this youth will go back to their own country, and I think they start to collaborate in each other.
So in many ways you are satisfied with the results that we have achieved so far?
So far, we are so satisfied with that.
Thank you. So how about the future? 2014, I guess,
Yes.
because this is biannual
Yes,
event, right?
Because the social entrepreneurs are very busy with doing something, so it doesn't need to be held every year. So in 2014, we should organize again with different partners and organizer. Maybe we would like to find the overseas partners, and we would like to hold this event in other countries in Asia, like Olympics.
Okay. Oh, that sounds great. I'm looking forward to it already. Anyway, thank you for this short interview about the event and the organizers.
Thank you for coming here and joining us with us.
That was a very short visit at the Wanju Community Business Center, and it was great to know more about their activities and also the impact of their social businesses. And now we actually head into the next location, where I think we're going to have some very great, tasty, but all natural food. We just arrived here at Jinan City at the Travelers Cafe Pongdong, where we will taste a natural meal cooked by a monk. And the story began 20 years ago when she was diagnosed with cancer and was told it was impossible for her to live. But then she just left the hospital and treated herself with natural food. So I'm really looking forward to taste the food and really enjoying this very moment in this beautiful surrounding here. So let's go in. So the lunch was really delicious. I just love it. I can eat it for months. And now it's time to head to the mountain. I mean, if the weather is with us. So that was our walk to the mountain, and it was really beautiful. wonderful nature, the birds singing, and even though it's a little bit cloudy, but it's really truly peaceful and wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and thanks for watching, and remember to smile and shine. Bye.